In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do sublimation on a hat. If you want to learn how to do it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do sublimation and sewing videos, so if any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing. Please consider oh my gosh. If any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing, joining my YouTube family. Please go check out my website at sewpresscreate.com. I have sublimation templates, classes on how to do sublimation and sewing. So go check it out and let's just jump into this video. For this project, you're gonna need your hat, butcher paper, your design. Make sure your design is mirrored, heat gloves, a lint roller, some heat tape, and your hat press. I'm going to be using the HTV Run hat press, and I kept it in the box because I wanted to show you how it came in case you were curious about it. So inside the box, you have an instruction manual, and then it comes in this really, it comes in this really cool case, which I thought was awesome because it's a nice little storage and it's nice sturdy plastic. And they have different colors. This one is this beautiful like mint green, and then it has here where you set it when you're not using it, which is nice. But what's also really cool about this is that it comes with a little pillow for you to press your hat to kind of provide some support, which is really nice, and a little baggie for the little pillow. So the first thing we want to do is we want to preheat our hat press. Whatever hat press you're using, you want to preheat it so that it's heated by the time you're done prepping your hat. If you're using the HTV Run one, you just turn it on and then you press this sun dial right here and you can set your temperature. Once you have set it, you can press it again and then you can set your time and then press it again. So we're gonna put that to the side to let it preheat. So we're gonna start off by actually taking the top of our case for our hat press. We're gonna take this top and then we're gonna take the pillow here and we're actually gonna put this on top of this. And if you notice, this pillow has these little elastic pieces here. We're actually gonna clip those onto these little side pieces right here, these little hooks where the lid closes. We're just gonna put it down on those and that's gonna secure it a bit. So this is just gonna add a little more stability to it. We're gonna take our hat, and I know you want to put it like this, but we're not gonna put it like that. We're actually going to slide it in like this. So this is the bottom of your lid. Basically just want it to be snug on there, and that's just gonna add some good support right there. Once we have it mounted on our little pressing pillow, we're gonna take a lint roller and we're gonna lint roll it very good. You wanna make sure you lint roll it really good because lint will turn blue with sublimation and you don't want that to show. Okay, once we have lint rolled it, we're gonna get our design. With most sublimation papers, you can see the design through it. Can you see it right there? So you want to make sure you're lining it up, focusing on that design and not your actual paper. Once you have it where you want it, you want to take your heat tape and tape that down. And you want to make sure you're taping it down super well because hats are very tricky and you can easily get some ghosting. Once you have it all taped down, you want to get a piece of butcher paper. This is a good way to use your scraps. You can use small pieces, lay it there, and then you're probably going to have to press your design in a few presses depending how tall your design is. Width-wise, it should be fine because this is a pretty wide heat press. So you're going to press down with a good amount of pressure. You're going to hold. If you're using this specific heat press, you're going to hold the power button for 2 seconds and then the timer will start. You want to make sure you're putting good pressure. Then you're going to move your press and you're going to press another part of your design. Now you can take off your paper And voila, look at that. That is so beautiful. My placement's a little bit off, but we're gonna act like that's intentional. But look how beautiful those colors are. It pressed it really well. Again, you might have to do multiple presses depending how tall your design is. I would say stay away from this area right here. Make your design about where I made the height end right here of mine, because here you will have harder time getting good pressure, but it turned out really well. And this is how much ink release I had. It turned out so cute. I love it. The placement's a little off. We're just gonna act like that's intentional. But I hope this video was informative. Again, this hat is from Hobby Lobby. It's only $1.99, so it's fairly affordable. The hat press I used, I will have that one linked down below. And you guys, actually, my subscribers, you guys get a 10% discount. So I'll have that discount down below. And I'll also have the sublimation paper I used. Anything I used in this video will be linked down in the description, so make sure to check that out. If you have not already, please subscribe, join my YouTube family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.